What's up guys? So for this video I'm going to show you how to use a HP document feeder for scanning. So first you want to go on the HP website and download the HP scan app if you do not have it on your computer already. Now some people may have it on their computer already, but just to make sure, just go and download it. If you search it and you don't have it, just go and download it. Once you've downloaded it, you would be able to now install it on your computer. This will take a while. So during the installation process, you would need to connect the installation to your computer through Wi-Fi or by connecting your cable. I did mine through Wi-Fi. So it's sort of, I've got a HP computer as well, so I think that makes it kind of easier as well. A HP PC, sorry. So once you've done that and you connect it, and your printer and your computer are perfectly meshed together, and you configure them, make sure that it's perfectly connected and all of that, then you can carry on with your installation. This will take a while. It does take about 4 to 5 minutes, I believe. Maybe longer, just depends. But it did take a while for me to complete this task. But you touch the computer and then you connect it basically. Once you've done that, you can search in the click on the start button and search HP scan, and it will come up. Now once you're in the HP scan section, there's various options. On the right you can see document feeder loaded. That's what you want to do. You want to have there, and you click on scan. Once you click on scan, it starts searching, and it's obviously your computer and your printer will already be connected, so it would start scanning. As you can see here, the first loaded item in the document feeder is being scanned, and I just prefer this way of scanning than using the scanner glass, because this one you can scan multiple papers quicker, whereas the scanner glass is just not as efficient as this method. So as it scans, what it does is it just basically generates it as a PDF. If you selected PDF in the beginning, it generates it as a PDF into your computer as well. So it's basically going to scan all 3 documents that I have as a PDF, because that's what I've chosen it for it to do. So that's the second one. So the first one has already come up, and then the second one is also coming up as well, which will pop up in a moment. And once that's done that, the third one will pop up as well. But also you can see my printer name as well at the top there, so you know what printer is being used. So obviously you need to have a document feeder as well on your printer, which this does. So as long as you have a document feeder, I would advise you probably just to use this. Use scanner glass, because the scanner glass is really frustrating and annoying, because it doesn't get the accurate sort of scan the way you want it to be, if you know what I mean. But anyway, all the scanning is done now basically, and the third one will pop up in a moment as well on this. Ultimately, once you're done, you would want to save it on your computer as whatever you want really, and so that you have it there and you can view it whenever you want. And once you've done that, that's basically it. So that's how you use the document feeder on a HP printer. Anyway guys, like, subscribe, comment if you need any assistance or anything. I'm just here to help guys. Thank you for tuning in guys. Alright guys, it's Rob Tech Help here, and I'm out.